we have one of the greatest sneaker slide unboxings with the most excitement that I'll probably ever give. Introducing the Grillos Pickle Slide. A pickle for your feet, folks. Full disclaimer is that I got the opportunity to design and develop and manufacture this pickle slide with Grillos directly. The team at Grillos and I have been working on this, and it's been a joy. Their team is incredible, and their pickles and their products and their merchandise is even better. And so I need to let you know that I've been designing footwear for a very long time, going on my 12th year now. And I'm just consumed with joy and pride and just stoked for people to finally have some fun within their footwear. Again, footwear collaborations have gotten a little strange these days, but this product is just pure joy. Now that we have the box out of the way, this is the slide. It is a fully injected EVA foam product. It is extremely comfortable, squishy, flexible, durable, and everything in between. You have the Grillos branding on the footbed side. You have it on the outsole. You have their main character. This is Sam, integrated into the mold design as well. You have the logo plug in the heel, and then you have the branding and the sizing on the inside of the tongue. Now, as you can see, it is a pickle for your feet. You can see how squishy the foam is and how comfortable this product will be. It comes in 4 sizes: small, medium, large, and extra large at this point in time. I got the large, which is a size US 10 to 11. These are going to release on Friday, June 12th in New York City at their pop-up shop. You can get a bunch of their merchandise at their pop-up, but the slides are exclusively for the New York pop-up. There most likely will be a wider release online. I don't have any details about that, but make sure to keep an eye on their socials, sign up for their newsletter, because they are going to go very quickly. One of the cool features is one of the shoes comes with a little Grillos hang tag, which is super nice. But you could see kind of aligning both of the soles. You'll get branding on both of the feet. Here's a close-up look at the slide itself. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check them out and get a pair of pickles for your feet.
I'm in my belly shining bright, diamonds dancing in the night, Ferrari parked under moonlight, living fast but feeling right. My bed wave, champagne rain, golden order, no more pain. Every second ultra prime, luxury written in time. Status glow.